Here's an interesting news break just coming in. 3 researchers from China's Wuhan Institute of Virology sought hospital care in November 2019. If you remember, this is months before China actually disclosed the Covid-19 pandemic. In fact, the Wall Street Journal has reported this, citing a previously undisclosed US Intel report. Now, according to this report, there are fresh details on the number of researchers who were affected, the timing of their illnesses and their hospital visits, which may add weight to call for a broader probe of whether Covid-19 virus could have escaped from a Wuhan laboratory. Meanwhile, you've also got Dr. Anthony Fauci, who's calling for a deeper investigation into China to uncover the origins of the Covid-19 pandemic.
No, I'm not convinced about that. I think that we should continue to investigate what went on in China until we find out, to the best of our ability, exactly what happened. Certainly, the people who've investigated say it likely was the emergence from an animal reservoir that then infected individuals, but it could have been something else, and we need to find that out. So, that's the reason why I said I'm perfectly in favor of any investigation that looks into the origin of the virus.
Let's take this across to our Foreign Affairs editor, Geeta Mohan. Geeta, good morning. This particular report that's been put out by the Wall Street Journal will definitely lead to a lot more of greater chorus for a detailed investigation into the origin of coronavirus. Dr. Anthony Fauci, who's in the past taken a stand saying there's no need for such an investigation, has also backed it now.
Well, that's right. It is an issue where the international community stands together, at least when it comes to looking at the origins of the virus. The WHO probe team that had gone to China had gone very late in the day to really find out the origins of the virus. And the initial reports of what really happened in China was not revealed by Chinese authorities. So there is a lot of cover-up that we've seen, and now the latest reports coming in of researchers having been infected, or for that matter, having sought medical attention in November of 2019 goes to show that there was something that was off or wrong about the entire affair. Having said that, the caveat over here is that it is not just about the international community. This is also a war between US and China. US authorities, US intelligence reports will be pinning blame and pointing to Chinese authorities, calling it yet another agenda-driven report by the Americans. But we will have to wait and see how the international community really reacts to the cover-up by China, or for that matter, the fact that China has not revealed initial data with regards to what really happened at the Wuhan Institute of Virology.
There's been a lot of secrecy on the part of China with regards to the origin of this virus. But with these details now coming out, there's no doubt that really all countries will have to put up a united front if we're going to be seeing some sort of a formal investigation. Geeta, thank you for joining us with those details.